try to minimize it. F of a comma b comma c equal to sigma of m equal to m of 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. So convert this to min terms, means minimal products. Convert this to minimal products fast. Convert this decimal numbers to min terms. How to convert? So we have three variables here. 0 means a bar, b bar, c bar. Plus 1 means that is represented by 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1 means a bar, b bar, c. A bar, b bar, c. Next I have 2. 2 means 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0 means wherever 0 is there for the corresponding variable, make it as a inverse. Wherever 1 is there, write the variable as it is. 0, 1, 0 means a bar, b, c bar. Plus next 5. 5 means 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1 means a, b bar, c. Plus 6. 6 means 1, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0 means a, b, c bar. Plus 7. 7 means all three are 1. So a, b, c. So they are given the decimal numbers. Now we converted this to min terms or minimal products or fundamental product. Now using Boolean expression, we need to minimize this. Can anyone do this? Can anyone? So that day you have seen this expression, right? Boolean relations. So using these Boolean relations, you need to minimize this. Try it. Try that. Okay, listen here. I'll solve one. Next one you people should solve. So how to minimize? So check by checking two minimal products. Check any two variables are common and one is different. One is different. Like a bar, b bar, c plus a bar, b bar, c bar, like this. So when you are going to compare these two products, two variables are common. A bar, b bar is common. So what you are going to do? You are going to take these two terms as a common. Then here you left out with c and e plus here you left out with c bar. So what it will become? C plus c bar will become C plus C bar will become 1. It will become 1. So that will be rewritten as A bar, B bar. Correct, right? Similarly, here try to minimize these two expressions. So if you take first two, A bar, B bar is common. A bar, B bar is common. Correct, right? So what I'll write? A bar, B bar, A bar, B bar. Compare similarly, this and this, this and this. So here B bar C is common, B bar C is common. So you will left out with a bar plus a. A bar plus a will become 1. So you are left out with b bar c. B bar c. Next check like that only. If you take these two, so b c bar is common. B c bar is common. So a bar plus a will become 1. So it will become b c bar. B c bar. So check with A, B, C. Check last two. Check last two. So if you take these two, AB is common. AB is common. So A. Is it the minimized expression for the given function? Yes. Is it the minimum expression for the given? No. Still can we minimize? Kavya, can we minimize still? Can you give me the answer? B bar C, you cannot take common, ma'am. B bar C. Let me check. B bar C. So are you asking about these two terms? Are you speaking about these two terms? It's okay. Once again, we can take, when we are going to minimize that, we can take more than once. We can take more than once. So if you want to verify with your textbook answer. See. So you can take more than once. So here we are not going to apply perfect mathematical function like how maths we will do. So wherever the terms we can minimize by taking more than once also. So our intention is to just minimizing the expression, even though it is more than once, we can do it. Is it clear? Is it clear now? Okay. I'll give one more expression. You have to minimize it now. I'll write down one more expression. You people need to minimize it. F equal to a bar b bar c bar, a bar b bar c bar plus a bar b bar c, a bar b bar c plus a bar b c bar plus a b bar c plus a b c bar plus a b c. Okay. Please minimize this and give me the answer. Minimize this function and give me the answer. Fast. If you are done, drop me the message and with answer. Nani gave answer. A bar, B bar, B, C bar, A, C. Correct, Ananya. Very good. What about others? Shruti, you got only one product? So when you are trying to minimize, one term should be different. One variable should be different, like C, C bar, A, B bar, B, like that, between two products. Naveen Kumar gave A bar, B bar, A bar, C bar. Naveen, check once. Check once. Hey, Karthik got 5 terms. Karthik, it's not correct. You won't get 5 terms, man. You get only 3 terms. A bar, B bar, B, C bar, A, C. I think B bar, C, A, B you got extra. Shruti, now it's correct. Is Lavanya A bar, B bar, B, C bar plus A, C. C, correct. Yes, Pranath is correct. Okay. Okay. So this is the one way how we are going to minimize the Boolean expression using the Boolean relations. Correct, right? So you people not to worry. This kind of minimizing the expression they won't give. In the old syllabus we had like this. So for your syllabus, minimizing like this is not there. Okay, but you should know this is the another way to minimize the Boolean expression. Okay. So apart from this, what are the other methods we have to minimize the Boolean expression? Let's see. So yesterday only we told. Have you heard about K-map? Have you heard about K-map? Yes?
Yeah.
Have you heard about K-map? Yes. So what is that K-map? So that is con-map. So that is the name of the person who introduced that. So his name is K-A-R-N-A-U-G-H. Con-map. Con-map, or in the simplified way, we will say it's K-map. They can ask in any way, Con-map or K-map. Okay. So we have studied different variables to write the function. So what are the three different variables we have studied? We have studied for 2 variables function, 3 variables function, and 4 variables. Even 5, 6 also we can write. Even up to 5 we can write the K-map. So for the 5 variables, 5 variables K-map doesn't exist in your syllabus. It's there only for 3 variables and 4 variables. So how to write 3 variables, 4 variables? Let's see. So this is the K-map. I have written it for 2 variables. Okay, I have written it for 2 variables. Let me write here only. Okay, so 2 variables means I will be having 0, 1, 0, 1. So that is A, B. So here I will be having 0, 1. So 0, 0 means that is decimal 0. 0, 1 means that is decimal 1. 1, 0 means that is decimal 2. 1, 1 means that is decimal 3. So this is the way how we are going to represent the K-map for 2 variable. No need to worry about the 2 variable. It is not there. So we need to study about 3 variable K-map for 3 variables. K map for 3 variables. 3 variables. Okay. So 3 variables means how many combinations we will get? How many variables? For 3 variables, how many combinations we will get? So 8 combinations, correct, right? So we should have 8 boxes. Do we have 8 boxes here? Yes, we have. So 3 variables is nothing but A, B, C. A, B, C. So here variable A will come. Here variable BC will come. So what is the possibility of variable A can have the value? 0, 1. What are the possible values of BC can have? 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Have you observed something here? Have you observed something here? How I have written? See the K map? The way how I have written 0, 1 combinations. Anything special? Guys, you need to reply. If you are not replying, how I will come to know that you people are getting it? Any special in this? What I have written is correct? After 1, 1, you wrote 1, 0. Yes. You exchange 1, 0 and 0, 1. So, that is the rule of the K-map. So, you cannot write 1, 0 and 1, 1 here. Okay. So, because when we are trying to minimize the expression, 1 bit should be differ. 1 bit should be differ. Correct, right? That's the reason. That is the rule of the K-map. So, you need to interchange these two values. Okay. 0, 0 will come first, 0, 1 will come next, then 1, 1, then 1, 0. Is it clear? Is it clear? Please, while writing it, you people don't interchange it. So, how I have written, same way you have to write, because that is the rule of the K-map. Okay. Okay. So, once it is done, so we can give the decimal numbers for these boxes. So you are the beginner, so for you people it will be difficult to fill the K map, correct, right? So what you have to do, better within each cell in the small letter, means don't write big, in the corner of the box write the decimal representation of the each cell. So see here 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 means that is decimal 0, decimal 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, that is equivalent to decimal 1, 0, 1, 1. So that is the decimal equivalent of 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Muhammad Saif. So 0, 1, 1 is decimal equivalent of 3. 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, that is decimal equivalent of 2. Okay. So now 1, 0, 0, that is decimal equivalent of 4. 1, 0, 1, that is 5. 111 is 7. 110 is 6. So here we have interchanged these two values, right? Here we have interchanged these two values. So cell numbers also interchanged here. Please don't write it continuously like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Please. So this is the basic thing you should understand while learning the K map. So here these two combination is exchanged. That's the reason even decimal representation of the cell also will be interchanged. Please keep it in the mind or make a note in your notebook. So these are the things changed. So because this is the rule of the K-map. Because this is the rule of the K-map, when we are trying to minimize the expression, minimum one bit should be differed between these two min terms or this binary representation. Minimum one bit should be differed. That's the reason we have interchanged this. Even cell numbers also interchanged. Is it clear? Is it clear? Just interchange the cell number. For 3 variable, is it clear? Shall we go to 4 variable? Why should one bit be different? So previously I showed example, right? How you minimize the minimal product? See, A bar, B bar, C plus A bar, B bar, C bar means A bar, B bar you are going to take common. So when you have C plus C bar, it will become 1. Correct, right? So that is the way how we are going to minimize. Same thing we are going to obtain from the K-map. Just we are going to apply to the K-map. That's it. So there we need to remember the expressions and all Boolean relations we need to remember. Correct, right? Here no need to remember any that x plus y equal to 1, x plus xy equal to x. That no need to remember all those things. Is it clear, Ananya? Yes, you got it. Okay, shall we move to 4 variables now? Is it clear for 3 variables? Shall we move to 4 variables? So 4 variables means how many cells are required? Can anyone answer? How many combinations we have? For 4 variables, 16 combinations. So we require 16 cells for the K-map. Here we have 16. So 4 variables is nothing but A, B, C, D. So here I will take 2 variables A, B. Here I will take C, D. Here I will take C, D. Okay. Here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Similarly, how I exchanged, here also we need to exchange. Okay. So CD, the possible combination is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. This much is clear, guys. This much is clear. Similar to 3 variables, I have written it for 4 variables. Yes. You need to reply fast. Okay. Can anyone write the cell numbers in the decimal form? If you can, just type OK. Don't type S. Let it be different. Karthik, okay. You people write the decimal numbers in the each cell and take a pic and WhatsApp me. Who's this? 481. 481. Lavanya. Lavanya, it's correct. But the thing here, so it's better to write horizontal way. Sorry, vertical way. Even 449. 449. What you people are written, it's correct only. Okay. So don't, I'm not saying what you are written, it's not correct. Actually, it's correct. But in the textbook, what they have went in the vertical way. So if you use the horizontal way also, it's correct. Okay. The thing is, when you minimize, you will get these variable names reverse. That's it. Okay. Better we use the vertical way because that is the thing they have solved it in the textbook. Even if you write Lavanya and one more fellow written horizontally like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is also correct. Okay. Let me write. So this is 0. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. This cell number is 4. This is 4. This is 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. This is 9. This is 10. This is 11. This cell is 12. This cell is 13. This cell is 14. This cell is 15. Is it clear? Those who are written horizontally also, it's correct. Okay. But when you minimize, you will get terms different. That's all. Yes, correct. 8, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, it's correct. Is it clear? Got it? Guys, are you clear with this? See, unless until you are perfect with these problems, better you write. Okay, better you write the cell numbers. Don't write in middle and all, just corner of the cell. Corner of the cell, you can write it. So if you're perfectly fine with this, you can. Okay. If you're perfectly fine with this, you can write it directly the function. Otherwise, better you write it separately. Means corner of the cell, better you write it. Okay. Next, take down this. Take down this. Are people making note of that? Are you writing in the notes, everyone? People are not making note of that. Reply fast. Guys, are you there? Okay. Take down this question. Find the minimum sum of product. Find the minimum sum of product. SOP means sum of product using K-map. Sum of product using K-map. Using K-map. Noted it? Writing should be fast. Find the minimum sum of product or SOP using K-map. Finished? Copied the question? Mahesh Yadav? Mahesh Yadav, are you there? Azim Hussain? C. Azim? Azim Hussain? Copy the question fast. Naveen, finished? Apurvayam? Apurvayam? Okay. Hope everyone copied the question. Okay. Now what they asked? They asked us to find the SOP. They asked us to find the SOP using the K-map. They are given the function. In the function, how many variables are there? How many variables are there in the function? 3 variables are there. So we need to plot the K-map for 3 variables. So what are the variables they are given? A, B, C. So A I have taken here, B, C I have taken here. So what are the possible values of A? 0, 1. So here I have 2 variables. The possible values are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Correct, right? So after this, what is the next step? What is the next step once you plot the K-map? So once you plot the K-map, write down the decimal numbers. Write down the K-map for the 3 variables and write down the decimal numbers in the cells. Write down the decimal numbers in the cells. Please guys, because you people are the beginners. I won't say in exam you have to write this. Okay, if you are perfect directly, if you can, you write directly. Okay, no need to write the decimal. But you are the beginners right now. Please make a practice of this. Then you won't make a mistake. 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7. Okay, listen here. If you are writing also, listen here. So now K-map is ready. So once the K-map is ready, what is the next step? The next step, here they are given the minterms. Here they are given the minterms. In this place of the minterms, what I need to place? Yesterday we have studied, right? In the place of the minterms, what we need to write? We need to write 1. Exactly. M0 is equivalent to decimal. M0 is equivalent to decimal 0. Very good. M5 is equivalent to M5 is equivalent to very good. It's decimal 5. Okay. Now what we are going to do? in this minterm place of the K map, I will be placing the 1. Remaining cells will be 0 because they are not included in the function. So let me take m0 first. Let me take m0 first. m0 is equivalent to decimal 0. In this place, I will place 1. In this place, in this corresponding cell, I'll write 1. Next minterm is m2. Next minterm is m2. m2 is equivalent to decimal 2. Decimal 2 is here. Decimal 2 is here. So in this place, write 1. In that place, write 1. Okay, next minterm is m5. m5 is equivalent to decimal 5 is in this cell. So make it as a 1. Make it as a 1. Next I have m6. m6 equivalent to decimal 6 is there in this cell. So place it. Is it clear? Guys, are you clear with this? Okay. Now what about remaining cells? What you are going to fill in with that? So remaining cell should be filled with 0. Very good. Write it. Write it. Remaining cells will be 0. Remaining cells will be 0. Okay. Okay. Now listen here. Now listen here. So here we had a 3 variable. First we plotted the K-map for 3 variables. Then what we did? So in this minterm place, we placed 1. Remaining cells are 0. Look at the question. They asked us to find out the SOP. They asked us to find out the SOP. So the next step here is you need to group the number of ones. You need to group the number of ones. How it should be? It should be adjacent. The number of ones should be adjacent. Like you can group means you can't group 3, 5, 7 like that. It should be pair. Pair means 2. Next group is quad. Quad means 4. Next can be octa. Octa means it will be 8. Are you getting what I am saying? Once you place the minterms to the K-map, remaining cells will be 0. After that, you need to make the group of ones. How you are going to make the group? In the sense, the number of ones should be adjacent to each other. The number of ones should be adjacent to each other. So you can make pair, quad, octa. Is it clear? Yes? Okay. So how can we group in this? Can we group this one with anyone? Can I make this group? Can I make a group of this one with another one? This one. Hope you are seeing it. The cursor where I am moving. Yes? Can you group that one with another one? No. Why? I don't have adjacent one here. See, vertically also I don't have adjacent one. Horizontally also I don't have adjacent one. So this is the single one grouping. So this is the one with group with single one. Similarly, second one. Look at this one. Can we group with another one? Look at the adjacent. Here also not there. Here also not there. Here also not there. So I cannot group this one with another one. So this is also individual. So look at 2 ones here with the cell number 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Can I make a group of those two? Cell number 2 and 6. Can we make a group of that? Yes, because they are adjacent to each other. They are adjacent to each other. I can make a group of these two. So this is the next step. First, wherever the function they will give, place it 1. Remaining all cells will be 0. Once it is done, you should identify the group of ones. So first you have to look for octa. Octa means 8. If 8 is not possible, then you have to look it for quad. Quad means 4. In this problem, even 4 is not possible. Then you have to look it for pair. Pair means 2. Yes, in this problem, pair is possible. So one pair we got, then 2 ones we got. So these 2 ones we cannot group with other ones, so it will be as it is, it will be single one. Once it is done, then we need to write the SOP. Then we need to write the SOP. You can take either as a SOP equal to, or you can write Y equal to. So Y represents the output. Y represents the output. Y represents the output. So what is this one represents? So what are the variables of 1? What are the variable numbers of 1? So A, B, C. So what is the value of A? 0. What is the value of B? 0. What is the value of C? 0. So this minterm or product of this L is equal to A bar, B bar, C bar. A bar, B bar, C bar plus product, sum of products. Okay, next I am writing for this one. So what is the value of variable A, B, C? A is 1, B is 0, C is 1. How can I write that? A, because A is 1, B bar, why? B value is 0. Next, C equal to 1. So write as it is, C plus. Okay. Okay. Next I have here. So what is the value of this pair? This pair value is, what is the value of this one? It is like A bar, B, C bar. A bar, B, C bar. The value of this one plus A, B, C bar. So what happened now? I can take the BC bar common, so A will get cancelled. Correct, right? So look at here. So when it is like this 0, 1 will get cancelled here. No need to write this step. For your reference, I have written this. See, when you are taking the pair here, so this 0 and 1 will get cancelled. I left out with 1, 0. So what is the value of 1? B. Right as it is. What is the value of this 0? That is represents the C. So that is C bar. Is it clear, guys? Am I fast? Okay, is it clear out right? See, directly without minimizing anything, directly I got the SOP form, minimized form. So they will give the expression, plot a K-map, then wherever the minterms or decimal numbers or products are there, in that place 1, remaining cells will be 0, then make a group of ones, then convert that to expression. That's all. It's very easy, right? Previous compared to previous one. Can we group 0 on 2? 0 on 2? Yes, you can. Like this also you can do. Yes. Very good. Who told that? Maithili. Very good, Maithili. You can do this also. So then we will get still minimized expression. You can do that also. Okay. Let me recorrect it. So this and this we can group. So you will be getting what you will be getting? So you will get A bar, and this means B will get cancel, C bar you will get. So okay, correct answer is A bar, C bar plus A B bar C plus B C bar. So this is the final answer for minimized SOP. Copy it. Copy it. Don't take this answer. Don't take this answer. We can group this as well as this. So you can fold the K-map. This horizontally also you can fold, vertically also you fold, even four corners also you can fold. So we'll see all kind of problems. Copy this. Copy this. If you have any doubts, drop your message. Once you are done with copying, let me know. So write neatly. Once you are done, drop the message in the chat box. Writing should be fast. Okay, done, ma'am. Let's go to the next problem. Take down this question. Take down this question. Take down this question. See, in this question they are given the function like this. They are given m0, m1, m2 like that. Here they are given sigma of m. So what this sigma represents? Mean terms. We will be using pi next. So, okay. So you should know these two symbols. Small sigma followed by small m represent the mean term. So if you are not noted, we can note of that. Sigma followed by small m represents mean term. Copied. Copy. So if you copied, draw the K map. Draw the K map. So here we are not taken ABC, instead we are taken DEF. Here we are taken DEF. DEF. Okay. So plot the K map for 3 variables. Then if you want, you write the decimal numbers. Otherwise, if you are fine it directly, ma'am, we know to write directly. I'm happy that you can save the time, write it directly. Still, if you have doubt, if you get confused, ma'am, we will write decimal numbers. Yes, I am happy for that also. 4, 5, 6, 7. So in place of 0, 1, in place of 1, 1, in place of 2, 1, in place of 4, 1. Remaining all cells will be 0. Remaining all cells will be 0. Okay. Listen here. Even if you are writing, please listen here. Let me complete the problem. I will give time, then you copy it. Okay. So what I did, I draw the K map for the 3 variables. Here they are given DEF. Here I have taken D. Here I have taken EF. Here 0, 1. Here combination of 0, 1. Then if you know directly to represent this into the K map, I'm happy. If you don't know also, no problem. Write the cell numbers in the corner of the cell. Then wherever these decimal numbers are there in the corner of the cell, in that place it once. Remaining all cells will be 0. Once this is done, next job is to group. Next job is to group. Okay. Let me group the ones. Let me group, because they've asked SOP, right? They asked SOP. When they ask for SOP, we need to group it for 1. So see here, I have 1 here. I have 1 here. Correct, right? So look at the adjacent. Yes. Next to right, I have 1. Again, below also I have 1. So you can group with this or you can group with this. So I'll group with this. I will group this. Okay. So this is done. Next one where I have, next one I have here. So can I group with this cell number 0? Cell number 1 can be grouped with cell number 0? Yes or no? Cell number 1 can be grouped with cell number 0 like this. Yes or no? Can we? Yes, ma'am. Yes. We can group like this. It should be repeated. See, this cell number 0 is grouped with cell number 4 as well as cell number 1. Yes, we can do like that also. How many number of times you want to group? You can make, because we are trying to take the minimum expression. Okay, that's the reason. How many times you want, you can make use of this while grouping. Now here I left out with 1 in the cell number 2. Can I group this one with, can I group this with what? Cell number 2 can be grouped with which one? When are saying it's with 0. Exactly correct. Exactly correct. Because I already told. So this, like this, you can fold the K map. See, so here what I'm going to do, I'm going to pair this one with this one. So the cell number 0 is grouped with 3 times. Ones with 4, ones with 1, ones with 2. See, so when you are pairing like this, cell number 0 and cell number 2, look at these two values. So how many bits are differing? Look at that. How many bits are differing? 0 and 4, 0 and the last one. How many bits are differed? 1 bit, correct, right? Instead of writing 1 0, if I place 1 0 here and if I write 1 1 here, when I fold this and this, is it possible to minimize it? Now look at, so I told, right, this is the rule of the K-map. Instead of writing 1 1 here, if I write 1 1 here, can I fold cell number 0 and the last row? Can I fold first row and last row? No, because 2 bits are differing. 2 bits are differing. That's the reason we are writing K-map in this way. Hope everyone are clear right now why we are exchange these two. Okay, when you are folding this and this, so if I write 1 1 here, 2 bits will be differed. So I don't want 2 bit to differ. I want exactly 1 bit to differ. That's the reason we have interchanges. Okay, now grouping is done. Write down the SOP now. Write down the SOP. Write on the SOP. So let me write for this grouping. Let me write for this grouping. So if I take this grouping, this 0 and 1 will get cancelled. D bar and D will get cancelled. I left out with E bar, F bar, or E dash, F dash, plus next grouping is this. Next grouping is this, means D will be as it is. Value of D is 0. So D bar. So here bit F is differing. See, bit E both are 0. Bit F is differing 0 1. Sorry, bit F is differed. E will be as it is. So E is 0. That's the reason it is E dash. Plus, now I am writing for this pair. I am writing it for this pair. So D will be as it is. The value of D is 0. So D bar. So when you fold these two, E is differing. E is differing. So E will get cancelled, left out with F. Value of S is 0. So that is F dash. F dash. I think someone gave answer. Let me check. E bar, F bar, D bar, F bar, D bar, E bar. Very good. Who is that? Maithili. Okay. Clear with this? Guys, are you clear with this problem? Any doubts in this? Copy it fast. Like this only you will be having problems. But usually you won't get it for 3 variables. Usually you will get it for 4 variables. Copy it fast. Once you are done, drop the message saying done. If you are not getting, please ask, because later we will be having big problems. Okay, once we start with the big problems, then you should not feel difficult. So next problem also, to find out the SOP using the K-map. So what are there given here in the function? They are using the 3 variables RST, Okay, here instead of min terms or decimal numbers, they are given the products. Okay, here some mistake is there. So here R, here R, here S. Okay, can you solve? Can you people solve this? Yes? At least try it. At least try. Reply that you can do or not. At least try. Yesterday only we tried how to convert this to truth table. Correct, right? Here we are not writing truth table. Instead, directly we are writing it to the KMAP. That's it. Can you try? Ma'am, question please. Sure. ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ರಪ್ಪ, ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ. To say yes or no also people are feeling lazy. Huh? It's very bad. See how many times I asked. At least say yes or no. Yes, Vishwajit answered right now. Appa, Devre. Try it. Here R is 1, T is 0. Where R is 1, R1 is in this column, T equal to 0 in this and this. With irrespective value of S. With irrespective value of S, place 1 here. With irrespective value of S, place 1 here. Okay. Those who are not able to solve it, please listen to me. Those who can solve, you continue. Later, at the end, you can verify the answer. Here, what is the value of R bar? 0. Here, what is the value of this S? 0. Where you have R equal to 0? In this column. Where you have S equal to 0? Here and here. With the respective value of T in these two cells, place 1. With irrespective of the another variable, place 1 over there. Next, R equal to 0, S equal to 1. R equal to 0 in this column, S equal to 1 in these two rows. With the respective value of T, place 1 here. So, remaining cell will be 0. Remaining cell will be 0. Okay. Once you are done, listen here. Once you are done, listen here. Now I need to group the ones. Now I need to make the group of ones. So quad is possible here. Octa is not possible. Quad is possible here. See, 4 ones are adjacent to each other. So I can make these 4 ones together. So that is a quad. That is a quad. Okay. Next I have 1 year. Next I have 1 year. So can I combine these two and these two? Top two ones and bottom two ones? Hey, I got answer already. That's very good. Guys, those who are not able to solve, can I group these two ones and last two ones, top two ones and bottom two ones? So it will make a quad once again. It will make a quad once again. So now grouping is done. Now grouping is done. Next write the SOP. So let me write for this. Let me write for this. So this is value of R. R is 0. So that is R bar. So what about S and T? See, S and T will get cancelled. So 0, 0, 1, 1 will get cancelled. 1, 0, 1, 0 will get cancelled. So I will get only R bar plus in this 0 and this 1 will get cancelled. And when you take these two, this 0 and this 1 will get cancelled. I left out with T. So the value of T is 0. That's the reason it is T bar. That's the reason it's T bar. If you have any doubts, ask now. If you have any doubts in this problem, ask me now. Any doubts? Guys, please respond fast. Gaurav, repeat ma'am. Okay. Sorting means grouping or writing the SOP? What do you want me to repeat? Grouping or SOP? Writing the SOP. SOP. Okay. C. First, I will write for this one. First, I will write for this grouping. Okay. So, what I have here in the vertically, I have only the value R. Write it. What is the value of R? It's 0. So, that is R bar. R bar. So, when you compare while writing this, while trying to write this, see, here I have different value, correct, right? So these two will get cancelled. These two will get cancelled. Here what I have, see, S bar and S bar plus S will get cancelled. Next I have T plus T bar. This is also will get cancelled. Okay. Similarly, what I have here, 0, 0. 0, 0 means S bar, T bar. 1, 1 means ST. This will get cancelled with this. This will get cancelled with this. Means I will be getting 1, 1. So that's the reason these 4 terms will get cancelled. I left out with only R value. R value is 0. That's the reason it is R bar. Plus. So next I will be writing for this quad. This quad. So when you are writing this quad, you will get R value, both the value, 0 and 1. 0 and 1 is nothing but it's like a R bar plus R. Even this will get cancelled. This will get cancelled. So then you have to fold like, then you have to compare these two. When you are comparing these two, so look at the S value, 0 and 1. Even this will get cancelled. You are left out with only T. So what is the value of T? That is T bar. That is T bar. Is it clear now? Pranav is asking for grouping. I'll explain Pranav. SOP is clear. Shruti, Karthik, Hemant Reddy, Lata. Gaurav Mourya, Lata Shekhar, Karthik Hemant. Is it clear? SOP is clear? What about others? Karthik said yes. What about others? Okay. Pranav is asking for grouping. See Pranav, here I have 4 ones adjacent to each other. So this I will make one group. This I will make one group. Okay. So next I have left out with this one and this one more one. Correct, right? Even you can make a pair. So when you make a pair, you'll get two variables. So two variable means you will get R into, you'll get T bar. R into T bar you'll get. But when you make a quad, you'll get only T bar. So still I got the minimized expression. Even if you write R T bar, this is also correct. But this is not the simplified version. So you should try to group the number of ones. How it should be means it should be like big one, like quad, octa. So when octa is not possible, then jump to quad. When quad is not possible, jump to pair, like that. So wherever it is possible to make the big one, you have to try to make the big group. Is it clear now? Any doubts? Any doubts? Copy it fast. Copy it fast. Copy it fast. So here 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 quad, one more code is here. So y equal to r dash plus t dash. Once you're done, drop the message. You should write fast. Finished? ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ರಪ್ಪ ಬರೆಯಕ್ಕೆ Okay, done. Copy this problem. Find the minimum SOP using K-map. F of XYZ. They have used three variables XYZ and they are given M0 into M5. M0 dot M5. M0 into M5. Write carefully the question. So look at the first question and this question. And answer me, is there any difference? The first question which we solved today, that is M0, M2, M5, M6. Can you see any difference between this and first question? Maths terms. So there we have used small m. Here we are using capital M. Apart from this, any other difference? This is POS or max term. Okay. Max term is fine. So there we have used plus symbol. Correct, right? M0 plus M2 plus M5 plus M6. But here we are using dot symbol. So which is product. Which is product. So this capital M represents the max terms. This represents the max terms. So in this place, what you are going to place within the cell? If they are given the max term, what you will be placing in the cell? So you will be placing 0. Very good. Wherever they will give the max term, in that place you have to place 0. Okay. Are you clear? Are you clear? Okay. But what they asked us to find? In these two places, you will be placing 0. This is fine. So what they asked us to find? They asked us to find min terms. They asked us to find SOP or min terms. So you will be grouping for. 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 Ganesh saying 0. Ganesh, till now what we find out? Ganesh, look at the previous questions. Look at the previous questions. What we find? I want Ganesh to answer. Ganesh, what did we solve till now? Last 3 problems. ಪಿ ವಯಸ್ಸಾ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ವೇನ್ರಿ ನೀವು ಗಣೇಶ್ till now what we solved SOP or POS? ಅವ್ರ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ Ganesh, are you writing? Are you writing all the problems what we solved in the class? So they asked us to find out SOP, right? Even in this problem, they are asking us to find out SOP only. So what we are going to group it? He left the meeting itself. Guys, what we need to group? We need to group 1 itself because they are asking us to find SOP itself. They are not asking us to find POS. Please keep it in the mind. This is the place where you will going to make the mistake. See, they are given the max terms. That's it. They are given the max terms in these 2 places. You will be placing 0. But they are asked us to find the SOP. So when you are going to when they asked us to find SOP, we will be grouping once itself. Is it clear? Are you clear with this? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these 2 places, 0. Remaining place 1. So this is the homework for you people. You tomorrow class is there. Tomorrow no class. I think the next class is on Friday. So I want answer from everyone on Friday for this. Is it clear? Can you do this? They are asking us SOP. You have to group once only here also. You need to group once. Is it clear? Can you do it? Can you do it? Okay. At least try. Okay. Next question is not there here. I will dictate. Write down. Write down fast. Find the minimum SOP expression. Find the minimum SOP expression for each function. Find the minimum SOP for each function. Lavanya gave answer already. Lavanya, your answer is wrong, ma. Try it later. Try it later. Now you take down the question. Take down the question. Find the minimum SOP expression for each function. Let me give the function. Let me give the function. F of ABCD equal to f of a comma b comma c comma d equal to sigma of 0 comma 1 comma 0 comma 1 comma 3 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7 comma 11 comma 12 comma 15. Write down fast. Sigma of m. F of ABCD equal to sigma of m of 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 14. 7, 11, 12, 14. So in this question, I have 4 variables. So when we have 4 variables, we need to take 4 cross 4 schema. Correct, right? So here I'll take AB. Here I'll take CD. So here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So directly if you can write once from this, you can write or write on this cell number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Once this is done, wherever these decimal numbers are there, place it 1. 0, 1, 3, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 14. Remaining all are 0. Remaining all cells are 0. Okay, guys, listen here. Later you can copy it. Okay. Later you can copy it. Please listen. Can I make quad? Can I make quad? Can you mention the cell number? Where can I make quad? Just cell numbers. Cell numbers. 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7. Yes, very good. Or shall I use other color? This is one quad. Okay. Next, is it possible to make another quad? No. Can I make pair? Can I make pairs? If it is possible, how many pairs? How many pairs? Look here and answer me. If it is pair is possible, people are saying 6, 4 pairs. Very good. 6, 14. Okay. Or someone said 6, 14. 6, 14 you can do, but the thing here is one term you will get extra. 6, 14 you can do, but one term you will get extra. Let me see the next answer. Now 14 and 12. 14 and 12. 14 and 12. Very good. I'll tell why 6 and 4 you can't. You can, but one extra term you'll get. That's it. See, these two make you can do. This one can be merged with this one. These two can be merged. And these two can be merged. People, those who answer 6 and 14, please listen here. Please listen here. Why I didn't make group of these two ones means, if you make a group like this, if you make a group like this, you will be left out with this one. Correct, right? See, everything is fine. So now I'll number this as a 1, 2, 3, and this horizontal is a 4, 5. Yes. Even it's correct. Yes. Those who answered 4, 16, this is also correct. And this is also correct. Sorry. Yes, you can do like this also. Those who answered 6 and 14. People group like this also correct. People who grouped 7, 6 also correct. The thing is, you'll get different variables. That's it. Is it clear? Guys, grouping is clear. 0, 1 now. 0, 1 we did. If you are grouped with 7, 6 also correct. If you group 6, 14 also correct. If you are done with 7, 6, then don't erase it. That is also correct. The thing is, you'll get different answers. That's it. Terms will be same. The variables will be interchanged. Grouping is clear. Any doubts in grouping? Any doubts in grouping? Can I get the answer now? If you don't have any doubts in grouping, grouping is clear, right? Can I get the answer? SOP. Can I get the SOP for this? Write the SOP. A bar, D bar, A bar, B bar, C bar, B, B, C, D bar, B bar, C, D, A, B, D bar. Good. Is that Aditya Garwa? Yes, that is correct. Okay, those who are combined with 7 and 6. Instead of 6 and 14, if you are grouped with 7 and 6, the answer is this one. If you are grouped this piece, that is also fine. Don't erase it. Okay. The thing is, A bar D is same. Next, second term also same. Last one, A B A B D bar. This is also correct. Then A C D. This is B bar C D. This is also correct. Guys, those who I'll change the color. What I'm writing. So if you are grouped with this, instead of 614, if you grouped with 67, this is the answer. Okay, B C D. Then you will get A bar B C. A bar B C. A bar B C. Only this term will be changed. That's it. What is changed? This is same. This is same. B bar C D is there. A B. Oh, yes, this is changed. That's it. Number of terms will be same. The thing is, variables are different. Is it clear? Any doubts in this? Guys, any doubts in this problem? Copy this. Don't write both answers, please. See, blue color what I marked. If you pair like that, second answer. If it is with orange, answer is first one. Both are correct. I'll give one homework. Try to solve that. Okay. Into this is capital M. So I'm giving the max terms. So wherever the max terms are there, in that place you need to place 0. Okay. Don't get confused. 1, 9, 11, 12, 14. Take down this question as a homework. Max terms I have given. I given max terms. So this max term represented by pi. Mean terms represented by sigma, right? Max terms are represented by pi. Again, you are going to find SOP itself. Again, you are going to find SOP. Okay. Consider attendance fast. 1 to 10. 1 to 10. To 1. 3. 4. 5. 6. 6. Okay, 6 is absent. 7. 6 present. 7 present. 8. 8. 9. 8 present. Who is 8? 8 is Aditya. 10. 10. Okay, 10 is absent. 11. Please fast. Answer fast. 11. 12, 13, 14, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. 20 is absent. 21, 21 to 30, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 26.